Hi guys, so today's video is going to be a comparison and contrast video against Dexta Daps owner, Kalado Sexcited, and Christopher Martin Magic. So Kalido have it to say that Dexta Daps thief in video concept and all these things. So we're gonna dissect all of that. We're gonna get into all the controversy. We're gonna talk about all three videos, and you guys are gonna hear my thoughts and opinions on all these videos and all the music and lyrics and all that. So keep on watching your girl. So the other day, Dexta Daps video dropped. Even a video, it was a short film for his album Intro. As you guys know, he dropped a free album here on YouTube, iTunes, they're all over the place. You can download it for free, listen to it for free, which is ridiculous because nobody now let out no whole album for free nowadays, and every single song on that album is amazing. So I dropped the video and it caused a whole controversy. I have a video on that, my whole review on the Intro video, so you can watch that if you want to hear more about it. But it caused a whole controversy because the girl was naked and you could have seen like body peg and boobs and stuff in the video, and you can see them they have sex in the video and all that thing. So Kalido come and say Dexta Daps TV his, because in 2006 Kalido actually released a song called Sexcited where him and the girl really look like they did have sex. The girl did naked, and it got flagged everywhere. It got taken down from everywhere. YouTube took it down because they categorize stuff like that as pornography. What Dexta Daps did was tastefully done. What Kalido song did, because I saw Kalido song when it came out in 2006, and it caused a whole controversy also. But I don't think Dexta Daps thief Kalido video concept, because in Kalido video the girl did naked. You see nipple, breast, every body peg, everything. And in Dexta Daps video you only see like a few glimpses here and a few glimpses there, and they did it very tastefully. Kalido's video wasn't done tastefully at all whatsoever. So I can't understand how him said Dexta Daps thief in video idea and in video concept, because to be truthful in a this, like truthful nothing, like just cut straight to the point. People have done videos like this way before anybody in a dance R&B. People have done videos like this in R&B, hip hop. When I hear nobody from R&B and hip hop say Dexta Daps the thief him video idea. And if you wanna be real, them start that type of video anyway. Them are the first to do it. And that whole crab in a barrel mentality with artists and Jamaican people, me can't really take. I don't like it. I hate seeing it. And it happens a lot in the entertainment business. Why we can't all get along? God is to tell. God is to tell. So Christopher Martin also dropped his video the same day Dexta Daps dropped his intro video, but Christopher Martin video wasn't getting as much buzz as the Dexta Daps video. I don't know why. I guess Dexta Daps have him hand pan the people, them heartstring. They'll say pressy and a pressy and a pressy, and have them in anticipation. But him dropping video, it shot, it sell off. But Christopher Martin also dropped his, and it didn't do so well. No, it wasn't buzzing as the Dexta Daps one was buzzing. Like how the Dexta Daps video was buzzing here on YouTube and on social media. And I went to go watch Christopher Martin videos, and the video alright, the video good. The concepts are similar. I don't think it's the same thing. Christopher Martin video, one girl there with one man, the girl that cheat upon the man with the little run around boy with around the house to take care of the car and the yard and all these things, and she did have sex with him. And one day she said she a guy gym, so the man tell him to go on. The boy drive the car like he's a chauffeur. Him drive the car with the girl, car at the gym. The man called the girl. The girl answered the phone without but answer the phone basically on accident. Then did they hug up and the kiss and they talking at the car and the man hear everything. The man got the boy yard down, which part the girl and his girl and the other boy did it, and beat up the man and tell the girl, say, yo, it's either you kill him or me you kill him or kill the both, I don't know. And that's how the video go. And Christopher Martin is just in this twinkly twinkly sing thing. They sing about him magic, and he's basically saying him magic, him hood size basically, sexercise girl. That's basically what the song is about. And that's how the video went. There are some sex scenes in the video that's similar to Dexta Daps and Kalido's song, but are they similar? They're similar, but they're not the same. I feel like Dexta Daps video depend a level, yeah. Christopher Martin video depend the level, yeah. Kalido friggin' video depend way down a ground. You can't even see it on that level. To me personally, nothing against any artist, nothing against their art, because people get into them feelings when you talk about them things and all these other things, but me not really care. Do I feel like Kalido and Dexta Daps video was on the same level? No. Were they similar? Yes. Do me think Dexta Daps take no idea from Kalido? No. This concept has been done over and over and over. There's nothing new under the sun. Nothing new under the sun. So do I think he stole anything from Kalido? No. Do we think the video them similar? Yes. That's just how I feel. Do I think Christopher Martin is song magic is similar? Yes. But there's more difference in Christopher Martin than with Dexta Daps. I don't feel like they're a good compare contrast video to me. Enough people want to put them in the same category, but another same thing to me. So that's my thoughts and opinions on this. Things can be very similar. It's up to the artist to bring different stuff to our attention. Get a little bit of rise from us, get them thing buzzing so them can actually get jobs and get work. Okay, this is what they're supposed to be doing. So that's how I feel about the story. There is nothing new under the sun. Whether Christopher Martin thief Dexta Daps, whatever Kalido thief Dexta Daps, whatever. Okay, there's nothing new under the sun. Just like how everybody do commentary, especially female them on YouTube. There's nothing new under the sun. It's all up to that person to bring something special that will retain an audience and retain people to keep them watching. That's just what it is. So comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think. Do you think Dexta Daps thief Kalido idea? Do you think Christopher Martin video can be compared to Dexta Daps video? Comment in the comment section. Tell me what you guys think. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm a part of here, man. Deuce.